This segment is sponsored by North Coast Organic. Well, it's officially holiday baking season, and if you're spending extra time in the kitchen, you're gonna love this hack. Registered dietitian nutritionist Roxana Ehsani is here to share her favorite ways to make desserts better for you. Always great to have you.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, so my ultimate baking hack for making your baked goods healthier this holiday season is North Coast Organic Applesauce. So I'm a dietitian, but I've also been baking for a very long time for my friends and family, and I always want to make something a little bit healthier for them. And I discovered very early on in my baking journey that applesauce can replace butter or oil in a recipe up to a half or more. So you can use it in brownies, you can use it in cakes, cookies, even muffins that you see here. And this simple swap will lower total fat and total calories while also keeping all your baked goods soft, tender, and full of moisture too.
Yeah, this is such a fun tip for bakers. I'm a big baker myself, so learning about this tip, I mean, it kind of changes the game because it makes you feel a little less guilty around the holidays. Why don't you tell me more about North Coast Organic?
Sure. So they've been around for over 100 years, and they've been producing apple products that taste like fresh pressed apples. And all of their products contain no added sugar, preservatives, there are no synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, never from concentrate, so really nutritious products. They're made using whole, fresh, U.S.-grown, USDA certified organic apples. So you really have great products. And they come in these very adorable 24-ounce jars, as you can see here, and they come in a variety of apple varieties. So Gala, Honey Crisp, just to name a few. They also have these really adorable grab-and-go 4-ounce cups, which you can put in your pantry, use it for small batch baking, or if you just need an applesauce snack, they even have applesauce pouches right here that are fortified with a little bit probiotics, good for gut health, or even some that have fruit and veggies in there too.
Oh, perfect for on the go. You want to get that nutrition in. Now, who do you recommend using this swap for?
So really anyone, right? It's great for health conscious bakers like myself who just want to cut calories, fat, sugar. It's great for families, parents looking to make natural kid-friendly desserts. It's great for egg-free or vegan bakers because you can use a fourth cup of applesauce in place of 1 egg.
Yes.
Or it's great for heart-healthy eaters or anyone who's watching their cholesterol. Again, you can use applesauce in place of butter or oil, so that's going to cut down on the saturated fat. So it's really just a foolproof baking hack that anyone can use.
Yeah, I'm being so tempted right now. I think I have to try one of these. But while I'm taking a bite, why don't you tell us where people can grab these products?
Sure. So Giant Food, Whole Foods, Safeway, Sprouts, the Fresh Market, really at many different stores. So visit their website, northcoast.organic, and you can find these apple products at your favorite stores.
This is so delicious, and honestly, you can't even really taste the applesauce, but like you said, so moist, which is very important in a good cookie and making sure that everyone's okay with the pastries around the holidays.
Absolutely. Great way to make things healthier, right, for your friends and family.
Well, and honestly, I wouldn't even know that these are healthier. Like, I would still, I'm going to eat like half a dozen. They're so delicious. Well, Roxana, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Learned so much, and I say it's time to dig in. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Enjoy.